In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust stock. Go to Stocks and you'll see all of your stock listed below. Here you can search for a particular item, and here you can adjust your stock details by first selecting it and then touching Adjust Stock. Here you can see the stock's location, quantity and previous quantity. Here you can change the location in this drop-down or change the quantity here. Once you've done that, you'll add a reason for the adjustment here. Now, whenever you check, you can see the new quantity, previous quantity and reason for the adjustment. You can also add a separate location by touching Add Line and filling out the details here. When you're finished, hit Confirm. To adjust multiple products, go to Multi-Product Adjustment. Here you can select multiple products and update their quantity, location and reason for adjustment. First, specify the location you're updating the products to, and then give the reason for the adjustment. Now you can select your products by going to Select Product. Now you can change the quantity of each product here. To make these adjustments to your products, go to Adjust Stock and Confirm. However, if you want to add these quantities to the original stock, touch Upload New Stock and confirm.